All right, I'm gonna start it up and let you all see that it's having a problem. It's having a problem with it. And the problem is on this alternator. You see what it's doing? See, it shouldn't even be doing that. Let me take this off. It shouldn't even be doing that. Shouldn't even be doing that. That's a problem there. Hello, and welcome to another day of Bigpat's Under the Hood. And we're going to get something done today. We're going to use basic tools, if needed, electronics, but we're going to do a whole bunch of research, whole bunch of testing, and we're going to make sure that we get the problem solved. So follow along with me, watch it to the end, and I guarantee it'll be something informative. Thanks again. All right, how you doing? Today, we are working on my 2013 Infiniti. A few months ago, I put an alternator on the car, and today it's throwing some kind of weird code in the screen. I see something, TPS, BS something, and I'm really hoping that this thing is not throwing out AC voltage. I'm really hoping it's not AC voltage this thing's throwing out, because if it is, I mean, the alternator's got to come off. So I'm going to drive it and see. Now, earlier it was giving me a problem, and I took the main power wire that goes to the alternator, which is this wire right here. I took this wire off here, and I was able to drive it all the way home with this wire here being removed. I was able to drive it all the way home. But this wire here goes straight to the alternator, and I was able to drive it home. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move the old square body, out the way, and I'm going to drive the Infiniti and see if it styles out on me. And if it styles out on me, and I'll know for sure that it's that alternator giving me the problem. So let's get those square bodies squared away and get it out. Let's just see, man. It's always something. That's why I'm always under the hood, because there's always something. It's never a dull moment. Oh, like I said, let's get the old C10 out of the way. Let's see if this thing, let me take that wrench and stuff with me, just in case this thing decides to do that, what it's been doing. It's just throwing that code up on that dash. Let's see. And we let the old Texas edition run. Probably gonna need a battery in it. It's been sitting up so long. Let me take me two things with me, just in case this thing decides to act a fool. Let's see. Gotta have the keys in here, because it won't go without them keys. So let us see what it's gonna do. Keep an eye on this dash. And let's see what we got here. Remember, it was throwing up a code. want to just see. I hope this alternator's not bad, but it won't be the first time I've got something from Amazon and well, it just didn't hold up. It won't be the first time, but I'm hoping that's not it. Had to buy a battery for it today. Still gonna do some more checks on it. I still want to check the so far nothing came up. But I still want to check out check the voltage on it. Make sure the voltage is not bad on it. Let's see, y'all. So far, the light didn't come back on. So let's get our get out here and get the voltmeter and everything, and let's just see what it's charging on the old voltmeter. What the old voltmeter's saying on it. Let's see what the voltmeter's saying about it. Get the old voltmeter. Let's just see. I need to check some additional voltage too. Let's check this voltmeter. See what she's putting out. You know, your battery tester, you can use it as well. Starter for the lawnmower. You can use your battery tester as well. It'll tell you what kind of voltage is going across the battery as well. If you don't have a multimeter, you can use your battery load tester here. 6 and 12 volts. Use it as well. It'll tell you just how much it's putting out. So let's try it and see. Okay, so respectively, positive, and the ground. Let's see what this alternator is putting out. So, saying that the battery has got 11. Let's go right here to the alternator output. See what it's saying. Just the alternator output here. See exactly what it's saying there. Alternator output saying the same thing. Focus. Saying the same thing. So, saying the same thing on that. Saying, see, that's active. That's acting as though like that. So let me go get the voltmeter. See? Oh, let's see. I just drove it. The thing didn't come back on. I tried to put it on. The thing didn't come back on. I drove it hard. Didn't do none of that. So let me see what my. Yes, all that. Yeah. Let's see. That alternator may be bad though. Let's see. Let's see if that alternator's charging. Let's see if it's charging. If it's not, let's see if it's charging. Let's see if it's charging, y'all. Let's see if it's charging. May not be. This thing ain't charging. Give it gas. Give us the gas. This thing ain't charging. It ain't charging. That I'll make bad. That's on the battery part. Hold the gas on.
Today, am I recording? Today
Why you messing my stuff up?
Today on Bigpat under the hood, we got. Why you got on my camera? Today on Bigpat under the hood, you got TT under the hood. Finna show you how to fix an Infinity. Let me tell you something. Them old school mechanics think they know something, but ain't nothing big when a girl knows what she doing. So I'm gonna show y'all something. See, zoom in right here, little legs. Right here, we had to get a new battery. However, the battery is still not charged for alternator. Alternator should be able to run, but it's not. So guess what we gotta do? We gotta get a new alternator. Now we gotta go look at Bigpat under the hood Chevy. I fixed his 2 days ago. What would he be without his daughter T? And now we back with another scene from TT's Under the Hood. Now in the video, I dropped a jewel just to see a part of a trivia to see who will pay attention. Well, we all know that the battery charged the alternator, right? Y'all didn't catch that now, did you? I dropped trivia to see who's gonna pay attention to the video. Now, also, we have to go to a local store because we ordered off Amazon and that alternator seemed to be bad. I know, oh brother. I know it happens sometimes when you buy stuff from different shipping companies. You know, it happens. But we're gonna have to go ahead and go to the AutoZone or Riley's who has the alternator for an Infinity. If you all know someplace that I can get it from here locally, ping me, write me, comment. But don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Bigpat Under the Hood. You know what? I may come with my own channel.
All right. As you can see, I started that's my youngest daughter, and she's a hot rodder, muscle car, loves to go fast, and had a bunch of fast cars. But yeah, she's one of the young ladies that you won't see on the side of the road with her hood up and 4 ways going.